Hello Agri Yuva, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss 50 top horticulture fruit science previous year questions that came in IBPS AFO, AAO, NET, NABARD, IFCO and other government exams. So let's start the session. First question is, which fruit is classified as a pseudocarp? And the correct answer is option B, apple. Question number 2. Which nutrient deficiency causes little leaf disorder in citrus? Correct answer is option A, zinc. Question number 3. The best rootstock for high density apple cultivation is? And the correct answer is option D, M27. Question number 4. RTS, ready to serve beverages must contain a minimum percentage of how much fruit juice according to FSSAI standards? And the correct answer is option A, 5%. Question number 5. Which PGR is used for induction of parthenocarpy in grapes? And the correct answer is option C, GA3. Question number 6. The fruit Karonda belongs to which family? Answer is option B, Apocynaceae. Question number 7. Which fruit is known as poor man's apple? Correct answer is option D, Amla. Question number 8. The non-climatic fruit amongst the following is? And the correct answer is B, grapes. Question number 9. Carbohydrates that yield 2 to 10 monosaccharides units upon hydrolysis are called? Answer is option B, oligosaccharides. Question number 10. Which variety of papaya is gynodioecious? And the correct answer is option D, Solo. Question 11. Phule Arjun is a famous variety of? Correct answer is option D, pomegranate. Question 12. The technique of covering soil with mulch, crop residues or organic material to conserve soil moisture is called? Correct answer is option C, mulching. Question 13. Process defined as the preservation of food by removing water via sugar solution, reducing microbial growth is? Correct answer is option B, osmotic dehydration. Question 14. Modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, of fruits primarily work by? Correct answer is B, decreasing oxygen and increasing CO2 levels. Question 15. Fruit cracking in lychee can be minimized by the application of? Correct answer is option A, GA3. Question 16. The double sigmoid growth curve is typically observed in which of the following fruit? Correct answer is option B, grapes. Question 17. The recommended rootstock for sweet orange in India is? Correct answer is option B, Jatti Khati. Question 18. In landscaping, the golden triangle rule is mainly applied for? Option C is the correct answer, placement of focal plants. Question 19. Mango malformation is caused by? Option A is correct, Fusarium moniliforme. Question 20. Which fruit is called fruit of paradise? Option D, pomegranate. Question 21. The most suitable propagation method for Amla is? Correct answer is option C, patch budding. Question number 22. During cold storage of apples, accumulation of which compound causes internal browning and off flavor? Answer is option B, acetaldehyde. Question 23. The hybrid mango Amrapali is a cross between? Answer is option A, Daseri cross Neelam. Question 24. Which following fruit has highest iron content among the tropical fruits? Answer is option C, Karonda. Question 25. In landscaping, topiary refers to? Answer is shaping of plants into ornamental figures. Question 26. Which of the following fruit is rich in lycopene pigment? Correct option is C, watermelon. Question number 27. Apple scab is caused by? Option A is correct, Venotoria inequalis. Question 28. In banana, K deficiency symptom is? Correct answer is option B, marginal leaf scorching. Question 29. Which fruit is a natural source of hydrocinic acid HCN in seeds? Option D, custard apple. Question 30. The commercial rootstock for guava wilt resistant is? Answer is P. catalinium. Question 31. Banana variety Grand Nane belongs to which genome group? Correct option is AAA genome. Question 32. Bale Aegle marbelos belongs to which plant family? Correct answer is option A, Rutaceae. Question 33. Which grass species is most commonly used for lawn making in India due to drought tolerant? Correct answer is B. Silanon ductilon. Question 34. The fruit custard apple belongs to family. Option A. Annonaceae. Question 35. Pollination in jamun is mainly carried out by. Option D. Honeybees. Question 36. Gummosis in citrus is caused by. Option B. Phytophthora species. Question 37. Banana mosaic is transmitted by. Option A. Aphids. Question 38. Which fruit is commonly stored in CA storage at -1 Celsius to 2 degree? Correct answer is option D. Apple. Question 39. Osmotic dehydration is commonly used in preservation of which fruit? Option C. Mangifera indica is correct. Question 40. Which fruit is known as Chinese gooseberry? Correct answer is A. Kiwi. Question 41. Strawberry is commonly propagated by. Correct answer is option C. Runners. Question 42. The disorder internal necrosis in mango is due to the deficiency of. Correct option is option C. Boron. Question 43. The physiological disorder fruit necrosis is found in which of the following fruit? Correct answer is option A. Bale. Question number 44. Which of the following is a correctly identified species of the genus Ziziphus? Correct answer is Ziziphus rotendifolia. Question 45. The horticultural seed physiology, which type of primary seed dormancy is common in crops requiring chilling or dark light for germination? Statement 1. The non-deep type is the most common primary dormancy. Statement 2. Species with this dormancy require light or darkness to germinate or chilling stratification. Stratification. Germinate or chilling stratification. And the correct answer is option A. Both 1 and 2 are correct statement. Question 46. Soft nose disorder is associated with which of the fruit? Correct answer is option C. Mangifera indica. Question 47. Which fruit is called wonder fruit due to Cynsepalus berries? Correct answer is option A. Jamun. Question 48. Which fruit has the highest oil content among the arid fruits? Correct option is B. Mahua. Question 49. The characteristic aroma of fruit mango is due to. Correct answer is option D, terpenes. Question 50. Which fruit is called as Japanese melder? And the correct answer is option A, locust. So that's the complete video for today's. Comment answer to get the complete PDF. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel with our friends. Stay updated and stay healthy.